Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat. Ang dami niyo. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Papaunlakan ko kayo. Mamaya ko ang tatanungin at sasagutin po natin. Very happy ako. Sobrang honored na parte pa rin ako ng pamilya ng Bioessence. Nagsimula ako dito, 17 ako. I'm turning 35 already and dito pa rin. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
In the flash, although we've been seeing each other earlier, more frequently than they did, because we just, of course, revealed the newest ambassador of Bioessence. And according to Sir Joe, of course, you really embody what Bioessence is about. What can you say about that?
Siyempre, hiyang-hiya tayo kasi talagang pinaulanan niya tayo ng lahat ng compliment sa mundo. Parang lahat ng adjective pinili talaga ni Joe. Pero, ayun, siyempre, sobrang grateful lang, papasalamat talaga ako sa Bioessence na we Bioessence and I. Kumbaga, it's not anti-aging, but more of healthy aging. It's about embracing parang imperfections and seeing the beauty of it all. Kaya nakakatuwa kasi bibihira yung mag-endorse ka or you will be a part of a brand